Hello and welcome to my another video. Today I will show you how to make this cute little notebook. It looks really very cute. So let's get started. So for this I need scissors, pencil and A4 size sheet, a rectangular sheet. So first I need to do like this. Fold it like this. Make sure both ends meet each other properly, and again fold once again like this. And then just open this, fold it like this also, and here also make sure that both ends meet from here and here also. Just open it and then also just do it like this. Fold once again here, shift it like this towards you, and then open this, fold it like this again, press it nicely, and it's done. Just do like this. When it's done, we have to cut here, here and here. So let's get started with our scissors part. Done. Just open it and then cut from here and here also. Just take it with your hand and just cut it. This part and this part also. When it's cut, just do it like this. This and this here, and same with this part as well. Same here and here. Now just switch to other side like this. Keep it like this. One part here, here. Next, do it like this. With your hands, just your fingers. This part. Fold it nicely here, and this notebook is done, and it's made a cute little notebook of pink color. You can make any color of your choice and you can do like that, and you can personalize it also by writing any alphabet or writing anything of your choice, like I have done here, my notebook. So you can do it also like that. Make any pattern or anything. So you can write my notebook only. Make any pattern, like I have made their heart shape. I can make a triangle, a star shape, or any kind of pattern that you want. You can make it like this, decorate it, it's up to you. So I am doing it like this. And now these two notebooks are ready to work on. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos, smash the like button. Please comment also, and please subscribe to my husband's channel. His channel's name is Rice Analytics, and to my son's channel, his channel's name is Sadik's World. Bye bye.